goods from the supplier. When we bought the goods from the supplier, they are all credit entry because the supplier gave us the goods. They are all credit entry. That's why here you have to trace the ledger for Fuller and Sons. Fuller and Sons, Kuenko, A. Louis, and Jamita, they are all our suppliers, credit suppliers that we bought from. But based on what we bought, we have two suppliers that we are returning the goods we bought from. We are returning part of the goods that we bought. We have two suppliers, which are Fuller and Sons and A. Louis. So look back here. For this transaction, they are on the credit side. Why are they on the credit side? They are on the credit side because they are our suppliers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. So, for that, we write the date. Which dates are that? December 8th. December 8th. The details there is purchased from Fuller and Sons. Yes or no? Please focus here. We purchased from Fuller and Sons. So we write purchases. This is for Fuller and Sons, which is a supplier. Now, please look here. Now, on January 15th, you see the date here. This is December 8th, which means we have purchased these goods in December 8th. Going forward in January, we return. This is the worth of goods we bought. The worth of the goods are 172.8. 172.80. That's the worth of the goods we bought. Can I just stop that, please? These are the suppliers. We credit the giver. That's now we open. Now there is a purchases and returns. We are returning product or goods to Fuller and we are returning to Louis. So we have both Fuller and Louis in our purchases. Yes or no? Now, this is our returns in the journal. So from the purchases returns journal, we check our purchases for Fuller. It's 172.80. That's the worth of the goods we bought. Now we are returning a worth of goods, the purchases and returns. So we have both Fuller and Louis in our purchases. Yes or no? Now, this is our returns in the journal. So from the purchases returns journal, we check our purchases for Fuller. It's 172.80. That's the worth of the goods we bought. Now we are returning a worth of goods, the value of the goods of what? 38.40. We use the same account for Fuller. So because this is returns, Fuller is receiving those goods from us, right? Here, Fuller sold to us. Please look at the one. Here, we bought from Fuller. Fuller gave us the products. That's why it's a credit. Now we are returning some goods to Fuller. So because we are returning, Fuller has received those goods. So we're going to have it as what? A debit entry or a debit post. So here we have the date, January 15. Fuller and Sons. So the details will be purchases, returns. For Fuller account, when we bought from Fuller, we have it as purchases as details. The detail is purchases because we bought from Fuller, which is a credit. Now that we are returning to Fuller, Fuller has received those products from us. So it's going to be a debit entry. When Fuller gave us, it's a credit. It's a credit entry when Fuller gave to the business. Now that we are returning to Fuller, it's going to be a debit entry. So that's it's going to be a debit entry. That's why we have it as purchases returns. This has happened before this, yes or no? This was 2017. I think, is it 2017? No, 2016. Yeah. This was 2016, and this is 2017. So we purchased, and we are returning on 15th of January 2017. So that's why we have it as returns income. Then the amount is 38.4. So on our invoice, listen to this, on our invoice, this amount will be deducted from the total of this. So Fuller will be giving us a credit note stating that, stop writing this, stop typing. Fuller will be giving us a credit note stating that this amount has been deducted from our original invoice. Is that clear? Yes. The second one we have is A. Louis. A. Louis, we bought from A. Louis on December 17, right? December, okay, now we have A. Louis account. I think this one is clear, right? When we purchased in 2017, So for 2016, what did we buy? We purchased goods worth of purchases. Goods worth of $120, right? $120. Is purchases. Debit the purchases returned, you credit purchases. Because here you have returned the goods to your supplier, and supplier has received it. So Fuller would issue a credit note. Same goes to Lou.